I'm back! Welcome here at Propcoach! I haven't been giving you a few videos for quite some time now. I'm sorry. Yeah, I've been out on the running because I've been traveling, I've been creating new content, I've been going on many strategies, so I took a little break from the YouTube videos, but like I promised, I'm back. Thank you for coming back here again. Wow, we have a lot to talk about. What are we going to talk about? What they don't tell you before you join the real estate business, right? So either you're already in the real estate business or you're thinking about going into the real estate business, and I'm here to tell you the truth of what you should know before you join this business, or if you just joined this business, what you should know right now, and it's all here on the board. So are you ready to get started? Oh, by the way, did you subscribe already? Yes, because you have so much reason to subscribe. So go to the button here, red button, just click, and hit the notification button, ting, so that you are ready to follow every single video again for the upcoming week. So let's get started. I'm gonna go this way, and 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So what we're talking about right now is people want to start in their real estate career and they want to build something nice. They want to become successful. They want to become great. And of course, many people will come to you every single day and say to you, hey, it's very easy to start your real estate career. Come and join us. You know, you will be selling real estate in no time. You'll be selling loads amounts of real estate, and by no time you'll make a lot of money, and you'll buy your first Mercedes or your first BMW. Hey, you'll be buying your first house. You'll be, building this beautiful career. Hey, listen, I've seen it all. And there's always this beautiful recruitment drive all around the world, getting more people to join the real estate industry. And that is great. And every country works differently. And I must admit, when I joined the real estate industry, I still remember exactly how it went. This is what happened. Somebody came to me and said, hey, do you want to make a lot of money? Okay, well then you should join the real estate. Okay, come and join my team. I'll make you rich in no time. Okay, and what ended up was a result of 1.5 years of just a painful experience of making almost no money, almost losing all my savings, and ending up, just losing all of my confidence and, simply thinking of myself as a failure. And just because of one person was just telling me I can make a lot of money in the real estate. Listen, this is all about what is it that people don't tell you before you start and join the real estate. Okay, first things first. One thing is, real estate is a very emotional journey. Meaning to say, you're dealing with a lot of people and you're selling one of the most expensive assets in the world, real estate. This is not selling coffee or chewing gum or a TV or whatever. You're selling real estate, a very expensive asset and a very emotional asset to people. People build families in properties. People stay in their properties most of their lifetime. We sleep there, we eat there, we live together with our loved ones there. You're selling something that is really, really important. And that makes it a very emotional journey for a lot of people. Buying a house or selling a house is not an easy thing. There's a lot of mental preparation that comes with it, and that's what I always tell you to real estate agents. You have to be mentally prepared, or you have to have some toughness inside of you to really do very well in this business. When I started my real estate career, there was a lot of rejection. There was a lot of people that didn't want to work with me, and it was very hard to close a couple of deals. People were figuring out if I was the right person. I was just focusing on, hey, this is just real estate, right? I should just sell real estate. Why is this not just as straightforward as selling coffee? Listen, again, this is a very emotional ride, and the emotional ride makes it sometimes very tough for real estate professionals out there, because as you're dealing with all the emotions of your clients, you also get affected. And you get affected very badly, right? Because people last minute, they will pull out of deals. Last minute, they will add more conditions to deals. In the meantime, people will have all of these strange requests. And at the end of the day, you almost like a therapist have to stand strong, listen to your clients, deal with their emotions, deal with their rejections, their objections, and always find a way forward. Listen, if you want to be in the real estate, you must be very strong up here, and you must be strong basically everywhere, because as you're moving around, it's taking a physical toll on you and it's taking a mental toll of you. So be prepared for that, right? When you go into this game, you must be sure to really stand strong. And that is all about taking care of yourself, right? Physically, mentally, right? Take a break every now and then, because you must be prepared to take some very tough questions and deal sometimes with some very difficult clients. Okay, let's talk about another thing that you should be aware of, what people should be telling you if you want to join this real estate industry. It's all about yourself. Let's write that down in very big letters, right? Yourself. You must know that everything you do in this business is for yourself. It starts and it ends with you. You are in the business of you, and it's all about you. And if you don't put in the work, the time, the effort, and all of your passion, it's going to be very hard to succeed in this business. Listen, more than 80% of people fail in this industry within the first 8 months. The first 8 months, that is really tough to sometimes comprehend, right? It's all about the people that are willing to put in the work, the dedication, and at the same time learn how to build passion in this industry. I don't really believe that people join with passion. I believe that they create passion over time in this business. But once that grows and you overcome a couple of challenges, you realize that a lot of this business is all about you. And you means you are in your own business. You're like an entrepreneur. You're like a business owner. You're out there doing business. Nobody's paying your salary. Nobody's paying your insurance. Nobody's paying your car, your phone, and all the other stuff. You have to pay everything yourself. And why am I mentioning this to you, and why am I telling you this, is because a lot of people treat this as a regular job. And we're serving our clients like they will be paying us every single month. And a lot of agents out there, they treat every single hour like it's a paid hour. No, listen, in real estate, you only get paid when there are results. And sorry for being so harsh on you, but if you don't bring in results, you simply don't get paid. So you need to be knowing that in business, it's all about counting results. You make a sale, you do great. You don't make a sale, you don't do that great. So you need to know the challenges that come with it in making a sale, right? As you get objections, rejections, and you deal with a lot of negotiations, you always have to stand up for yourself. Yes, and that is really something that I sometimes see agents fail a bit, because they don't have the confidence or don't have the expertise and the knowledge to stand up for themselves. The better, the longer, the stronger you become in this industry, the stronger you become in yourself. But in the beginning of your career, obviously, like any career, you will have your doubts. You will sometimes feel uncomfortable. You will not have the full confidence yet in dealing in this business. So I would always recommend find a mentor, find a good partner, find a good team leader, find somebody you can do this with for the first year at least, so that you really can learn from them and see in how to build up that confidence. My biggest mistake in my career is that from the start, I wanted to do everything myself, and it took me 1.5 years to figure out that I needed a mentor and I needed a coach to help me push forward in my career, to understand what was I lacking of, what skills do I need to work on, and on top of that, what was the moment that I really mentally had to pull myself together to push the next deal through. Work on yourself, and the harder you work on yourself, the more successful you become in the real estate business. Okay. How do you like it so far? Are you enjoying it, or am I being too harsh to you today? You must be wondering, hey Taco, take it easy. Why are you so hard on me? No, I want you to succeed in this business. So I need to tell you the truth. Am I right? Just watch one more point. That is really something that I need to tell you before you join this business is, many people will tell you, hey, this is a very low investment business. You do not need to invest much. The answer is, or the truth is, yes, To join this business, to go into the business, you don't need a lot of investment. But to scale the business, you definitely need some investments, right? So let me just write that down very quickly for you, right? Let me just write it down here. You need to be able and get comfortable to invest. Yes, you need to be able to be comfortable to invest into your own business. And let me give you a few examples, right? Things like marketing, right? Eventually, at a certain point, you need to be comfortable in investing in marketing. Marketing is not a cost. You get a return for the investment of marketing because you market something and in return you close a deal, you get commission. What is a great investment, right? So having said that, many agents for a very long time still try to keep growing their real estate business on organic marketing. And there's nothing wrong with organic marketing. Please understand that I'm not saying that organic marketing, what means no paid marketing, is a wrong way. It's the right way. But you only can grow organic so much and so fast. To push that and to expand faster and to scale faster, you need to become comfortable in investing in your business. Another reason why I put invest there is, for example, a team. As you grow, one of the things that I see agents struggle the most in, that close quite some deals every month, they keep doing everything themselves. And there's nothing wrong with doing stuff yourself. But eventually they get, almost burnt out of all the work that they need to do. They do all the calls, the appointments, all the meetings, all the handovers, everything they do themselves. And they fail to invest in an assistant or in a financial controller or for somebody, an accountant or an admin that can help them to basically save some more time so that they can start doing more business in there. Remember, I told you before, you're like a business owner, entrepreneur. So business owner entrepreneurs also know how to start investing in their own business. This is not a free business. Although many people will sell it to you like a free business, I'm here to tell you the truth. The truth is, it's not a free business. Eventually, you will get to a level where you must be comfortable to invest into yourself, education, invest into marketing to scale up your lead generation and your branding, to invest in a team, maybe an assistant, maybe an accountant, maybe an admin, maybe an additional team member that can help you to do viewings or to do some listing calls. Eventually, their investment will be coming there and you need to start getting comfortable in making those investments. Okay, I got one more for you. Are you ready? So we talked a little bit about, this is emotionally something very hard, right? You have to work on yourself and it's all about investment. But the final one is, and this is important, I'm going to write it down all the way at the other side. Here we go. It's all about your reputation. Your reputation and maybe even your brand. Your reputation and your brand is everything. It's all, again, about you. A lot of agents join this business thinking it's all about the properties. Listen, the property is just only the inventory that we trade from one person to the other person, from your seller to your buyer, from your landlord to your tenant. It's the thing that we trade. Why people do business with you is because, here we go again, because of you. Yes, you. You are very important. So building a reputation in this business is extremely important, but keeping a reputation, and specifically a good reputation, is really everything, is the key to this business. And that all follows up with your brand. What I fail to see is too many agents are not building a brand at all. They stand, what I like to call, behind the curtains. And you need to move away the curtains, come through the curtains and say, hello world, I'm a real estate professional. Do you want to do business with me? Start building that reputation and start very slowly by letting your family members know. Then let your friends know. Then let your area know. Let everybody know that you are in real estate, because too many people are hanging behind there and just say, no, I'm a little bit, shy. I don't want people to know. Why don't you want people to know? Are you ashamed of being in the real estate? You don't want people to know that you're in the real estate? What are you afraid of? Real estate is all about people knowing that you are in real estate so that they can refer more business to you, they can refer more listings to you, that they can refer simply better scalable business to you. So remember this, reputation is everything. Start focusing on brand. It's all about lead generation, yes. It's all about selling, yes. But your brand is really the thing that is going to lift you up and is going to make you the expert in the area. You want to become the #1 expert in an area. So focus on the reputation, focus on the brand from the first day that you get into this business. And that is really something that I really needed to tell you. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining again here a session at Propcoach. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, do me a huge favor, go to the comment box, give a little like and say a little hello and say how much you enjoyed it. And I'll make sure to make more videos like this every single week and come back to you here at our Propcoach channel. For today, it was a great pleasure being with you again and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.